you guys, welcome back to my channel. For the ones that are new, my name is Chrissy. Thanks for coming and tuning in with me today. So go right ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can be notified for the next time I post a video. Today I am going to be talking about this beautiful unit I'm wearing right now. This hair is from Maxine. You can find them on AliExpress. So the texture of this hair is water wave, and as you can see, it's like a loose curl, but it definitely is still curly, give you that beach feel, that summer feel, and I love it. I love the fact that it's not too poofy. It's been about 2 hours since I wet it. If you hear my dryer right now, I'm washing clothes. So it's been about 2 hours that I've washed it. I've actually had this unit for 8 months. This is embarrassing, but I had it for a very, very long time. So the first time I wore this unit, I wore it to Jamaica. I did every activity you can think of in this unit. I was on, I rode horses on it, you know, I swam in it. I was on jet skis. I jumped off a cliff and everything. Anywhere I go, they're like loving it. I look cute in my mask with it on. So girls, if y'all want to go get it, I know during these times you don't want to get up and do your hair. This unit is affordable. Everything will be in the description down below. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please be safe during these times. We are all going through a pandemic. Don't forget to wear your mask. Keep your friends and family members safe, and also yourself. And I will be seeing you guys in my next video.